Look at this weird shit. Fully white yung sky. Supposed to be blue. It's either mayroon ulap na mas mataas yung altitude or makapal yung atmosphere kaya kinakapture niya yung buong light spectrum. Kasi madalas yung blue lang yung nakakatch ng atmosphere kasi yun yung pinakamabagal na speed of light. It's color blue. Weird shit. Mga tapos na mag-quiz set 1. UCS fish.